Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a voiceover today. Today's wig is from Nadula, Amazon. They sent me their 24-inch chocolate brown wig with blonde highlights. She is 150 density and she can be found on Amazon for only $196 right now. The price does fluctuate, but it probably won't be more than $200. But yeah, she is gorgeous. She's pre-plucked. The knots are pre-bleached. And she can be worn glueless. You see that extra strap right there? I do glue my 13 by 4 units down, but you can wear this unit glueless. It has the combs there that I'm showing you and a little lace in the back so that if you want to pull it up in the style, you can do so. She is a natural body wave, but for me, I'm going to wear her straight because she's so pretty and so long. So right now I'm just prepping the wig to pluck the hairline a little bit more to my liking, just because I like a really nice plucked hairline. I am using the BioSilk serum to prep the hair, protect it from the heat that I'm about to put on it. I am going to go ahead and just flat iron her. My flat iron isn't nothing special. I should invest in a Baby Bliss, but I just got this cheap Amazon flat iron. It does the job, but I do know that Baby Bliss is definitely better, so don't come for me. This wig was very much easy to straighten. She didn't burn or anything, so she's 100% human hair. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to measure the ear tabs to match my head, my hairline. Just going to go ahead and cut those off so it can be laid way more flush to my hairline. That way there is no bulging or any gaps. And then I went ahead, I'm just going to go ahead and mark where I need to lay the glue. I am trying this new Ebin glue. I am loving Ebin products at this moment, so I went ahead and tried their glue. And I will say I prefer it over the Ghost Bond. The Ghost Bond was itchy and irritating. This did not give me no irritation or itching. I didn't record the full install, guys, but you get the gist. I'm taking the lace melting spray to make sure the hairline lays super flat, like the lace, it'll be non-detectable. I did forget to cut the lace off in the back, but I did it later. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lay the baby hairs. I pulled out what I needed. I'm going to curl it so that it does mold easier. And I'm going to go ahead and snip that extra hair off to prep to lay the baby hairs. And the only thing that I use to lay my baby hairs is the foaming wrap mousse by Lotta Body. I really love it. It has a great hold and it doesn't have like a crunchy hold. It just has a hold. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Those links will be in the description box. I also have a beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I sell 100% real mink lashes. That link will also be in the description box, so check her out. I also sell some of the wigs that I do record, so that link will be in the description box as well. Thanks for watching again. Love you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the install portion. I wanted to record more, but I was running out of memory. So I do promise to record a full install in the near future. But this is the outcome of the unit. This is from Nadula Hair. As I mentioned in the beginning, it is Nadula on Amazon. This is their 24-inch chocolate brown highlighted wig, body wave. It is a body wave texture, but I straightened her. She is 150 density, and this is how long she comes down. I'm only 5'2", so she comes down pretty long on me to the top of my booty. And so if you're around my same height, this is going to look like a 30-inch bust down. Don't mind this. I forgot to cut this off. But yeah, this is just the back of the wig. It did come with lace in the back of the wig, so you could do an updo. I do plan on doing a lot more styles with this unit, so please follow me on TikTok so you can see how I style her in the near future. She is $200 on Amazon, which I feel like is a steal because the wig is already the wig is already styled, like colored. She is 13 by 4. She's a body wave. She is pre-plucked. She is the knots are pre-bleached. I did do a little bit of extra plucking just because I like my wigs more plucked, but a lot of people like a denser hairline because it matches their natural hairline. My hairline isn't that dense, so I prefer to pluck a little bit more so it can look more natural for me. But this is like really a throw on, like a pull out the pack and glue her down type of wig. She's great for going out of town on vacation because all you gotta do is, like, even if it gets wet, she's just gonna like wave up into that pretty body wave. This is so gorgeous. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys how I styled the wig after I flat ironed her. I did reapply her, but I wanted to see how she curled. I'm going to do a side part this time, and of course I'm going to use my BioSilk to protect the hair while I apply this heat on it. This is a Conair curling iron that I have. So you could pick this up at any drugstore or hair store. It's very easy to, it's very affordable. So I should say that it's very affordable. And I'm just going to do a regular curl and then pin her up. So you'll see in just a second. So I'm just curling it how you normally curl. And once, while it's still hot, I just roll it up. And then I take a hair clip and I just pin it there. I'm going to do the whole head like that. Then when I'm done, I'm going to spray my Got2b Blasting Free spray. Did my makeup and now I'm pulling down the curls. And they held pretty well. I will say that I've been walking around with this hair curled ever since I did it today. And the curls held up pretty well. They looked really nice. So I will say kudos to Nadula for that. I've bought Nadula hair before and it holds up very, very well. I've never had any complaints with Nadula hair, so I was really excited when they reached out to me to do this review. So I'm not shocked that the hair curled very well and it lasted all day. Look how pretty this is. Definitely go out and purchase. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Bye!